Okay, next. Next yang kita nak belajar ni about vulcanization of rubber lah. So as we know, natural rubber is soft and easily oxidized when exposed to the air for a long period of time. Okay, so natural rubber tu kalau kita tak tambah apa-apa additive, dia sangat easily oxidized lah. Contoh kalau you ada rubber band pun, biar lama-lama, okay, dia akan rapuh lah, sebab dia dah oxidized by air. Okay, this condition renders natural rubber unsuitable to be used for certain condition or application. Okay, so karakteristik ni menyebabkan tak sesuai lah untuk buat produk yang ni lah. Okay, so the characteristic of natural rubber can be improved by undergoing the vulcanization process. Okay, so kalau you pernah dengar tak, kalau kita cakap tentang rubber ni, you pernah dengar Goodyear. Okay, so actually vulcanization process ni sebenarnya discovered by Charles Goodyear tu. Okay, dia lah individu yang discover and patent the vulcanization process in 1844. Okay, kalau you rajin, you boleh tengok dekat you punya textbook tu, you boleh scan QR code. So you akan nampak lah dia buat simulation balik video macam mana Charles Goodyear tu dia discover about vulcanization ni lah. So what is vulcanization? Vulcanization is a process of producing rubber that is more elastic and with better quality through the production of cross-link between polymer chains. So bila kita cakap tentang vulcanization ni, sebenarnya penting untuk kita explain about cross-link between polymer chains lah. Okay, so during vulcanization process, the double bond between carbon found in rubber molecule will react with sulfur or other substance, okay, to produce sulfur cross links as shown in figure. So sekarang ni, okay, kalau ingat tadi, ini contoh kita punya polyisoprene tadi. Polyisoprene kita tadi kan ada double bonds kan. Okay, so ini contoh polyisoprene kita tadi, ada double bond. Okay, so bila kita add sulfur, okay, bila kita add sulfur, apa jadi? Sebenarnya sulfur tu dia akan double bond tadi ni, okay, double bond yang ada dekat kita punya polyisoprene, double bond, okay, dekat kita punya polyisoprene tu, dia akan react dengan sulfur. So basically vulcanization of rubber ni, okay, kita buat macam mana? Kita add acid to the latex lah. Add acid pula dah. Add sulfur, bukan acid, sulfur. Kita reactkan latex kita dengan sulfur. Okay, so bila kita add sulfur tu, okay, the double bond between carbon in the rubber molecule will react with sulfur. Okay, so sulfur akan added to the double bond dekat sini lah. Macam you nampak ni, ni ada double bond tadi kan, so dia akan break. So sulfur akan masuk sini, sulfur akan masuk sini. Ni pun sama, sulfur masuk sini. Okay, so dia akan produce sulfur cross link. Okay, ini yang kita panggil sulfur cross link tadi itulah. Okay, sulfur cross link. Okay, so this sulfur cross link make vulcanized rubber stronger. So dengan adanya sulfur cross link ni, lepas buat vulcanization tu, menyebabkan kita punya getah tu jadi stronger lah. Okay, alright, so next, okay, vulcanization of rubber ni kadang-kadang kita boleh buat dekat lab, tapi selalunya tak buat sebab kita tak ada solution of disulfur dichloride itulah. Kalau ni teacher tak masukkan eksperimen ni, activity, laboratory activity ni dalam PowerPoint lah. Tapi kalau you tengok textbook, dia adalah tunjukkan laboratory activity vulcanization of rubber. Selalunya kita tak dapat buat eksperimen ni sebab kita tak ada disulfur dichloride in methyl benzene tu lah. Okay. So, selain daripada kita add sulfur untuk vulcanization tadi tu, ada method lain tak? Okay. Sebab macam kita tahu banyak benda-benda yang produk-produk made from rubber ni yang kita perlukan dia selamat lah. Sebab sulfur ni tadi dia ada toxic sikit sebenarnya. Okay. Tak sesuai lah untuk kita buat macam rubber glove ke ataupun baby teats kan. Puting botol baby tu tak sesuai. Okay. So actually there are alternative vulcanization method lah. Maksud alternative vulcanization method tu tak guna sulfur. Vulcanization by using sulfur is the main method used to produce vulcanized rubber from natural rubber. Okay, nonetheless, this vulcanization method cannot be used for certain types of rubber lah, particularly synthetic rubber which does not contain CC. Okay, C double bond C sebenarnya ni. Okay, so yang main method memang vulcanization by using sulfur, itu main method. Okay, tapi kita ada juga alternative vulcanization method, okay, that can be utilized to produce vulcanized rubber. Untuk dapat vulcanized rubber juga, untuk dapat rubber with better properties, stronger rubber ni without using sulfur, such as irradiation. Okay, maksudnya kita guna radiasi lah, radiation, and then metal oxide and peroxide. Okay, so kalau you nak further explanation about alternative vulcanization method, especially on irradiation ni, you boleh scan QR code ni ataupun you boleh pergi dekat ni lah, website ni kat situ dia ada explain lah in details about irradiation method ni. Okay, so vulcanized rubber produced is free from sulfur. So kalau kita gunakan irradiation method, okay, atau metal by adding metal oxide or peroxide ni, vulcanized rubber produced is free from sulfur and more environmentally friendly. Okay. Okay, so next actually ada satu eksperimen. Okay, kita nak uji dari segi elasticity of vulcanized rubber and unvulcanized rubber. Okay, so ini pun sebenarnya kalau kita buat eksperimen ni dekat lab, biasa kita akan buat juga ni. Biasa teacher akan tunjuk juga demonstrate satu set lah untuk eksperimen ni. Tapi actually ini tak susah nak faham pun. Kalau tak buat eksperimen pun sebenarnya kita boleh agak lah sebenarnya. So to investigate the elasticity of vulcanized and unvulcanized rubber, is vulcanized rubber more elastic than unvulcanized rubber? Okay, sebenarnya kita dah tahu dah. Kita boleh buat smart guess lah. Vulcanized rubber is more elastic than unvulcanized rubber. So kita kena ada vulcanized and unvulcanized rubber. Okay, macam mana nak dapat vulcanized rubber? Daripada eksperimen yang sebelum ni tadilah. Vulcanized rubber tu kita mesti reactkan rubber, kita ada natural rubber strip, and then kita reactkan dengan sulfur lah. Biasa kita reactkan dia dengan disulfur dichloride. So kita dapatlah vulcanized rubber. Okay, untuk unvulcanized tu memang semata-mata latex tu kita letak dia atas cermin. Okay, dia akan jadi rubber strip lah. Kita tak campur apa-apa. So dapatlah unvulcanized rubber strip. So responding variable, the elongation of rubber strip when the weight is removed. And then fixed variable, size of rubber strip and the mass of weight used. Okay, so first kita ada kita ada dua jenis rubber strip tadi. Hang the two rubber strip and on the retort stand using bulldog clips as shown. Okay, you nampak ni unvulcanized, yang ni vulcanized rubber strip. Kita gantungkan dia dekat retort stand. And then measure and record the initial length. Okay, measure and record the initial length for both strip. Okay, and then hang a 50 gram weight on each rubber strip and record each final length. Okay, so initial length kita label as L1, final length L2 lah. And then remove the weight and once again record the length L3 of each rubber strip lah. Okay, and then kita tabulate the data. Agak-agak which one will has the highest elongation. Bila kita letak weight ni, okay, dia akan rubber strip will elongate lah. So agak-agak which rubber strip show the highest elongation, yang memanjang lebih, yang mana? Unvulcanized ke vulcanized? Of course unvulcanized tadi tu lah. Sebab kita tahu vulcanized tu dia more stronger, so more elastic. More elastic. Okay, sebab apa more elastic? Kita nampak dia elongation dia sikit je. Kalau ni dia elongate, okay, elongation dia tu, okay, elongation dia the highest lah. Okay, higher elongation. Okay, for unvulcanized. Vulcanized ni shorter elongation lah. So daripada situ kita nampak vulcanized rubber strip is more elastic. Okay. Alright, so properties of vulcanized rubber. So of course different lah. Sebab ada formation of sulfur crosslink tu. So formation of sulfur crosslink reduce the double bonds between two carbon atom in vulcanized rubber that makes it harder to be oxidized. So bila ada sulfur crosslink tu menyebabkan mengurangkan double bond between two carbon atom in vulcanized rubber and makes it harder to be oxidized lah. Sebab bila carbon double bond tu berkurang dalam vulcanized rubber tu, so bila ada oksigen, okay, oxidation tu kuranglah berlaku, so makes it harder to be oxidized. And then strong sulfur crosslink prevent the rubber polymer from sliding when it is stretched. Okay, so sulfur crosslink tu juga prevent the rubber polymer from sliding when it is stretched and can return to its original shape. So inilah menyebabkan dia more elastic lah. And then high heat energy is needed to break the linkage. So dia become more resistant towards heat lah. Okay, so this condition makes vulcanized rubber more elastic tadi tu and more heat resistant. And then this unique characteristic of vulcanized rubber allow various items to be produced compared to unvulcanized rubber. Okay, so ni boleh tengok lah unvulcanized rubber before stretching, during stretching, after stretching. Dia akan elongate, lah. Okay, tapi kalau vulcanized rubber, sebab ada sulfur crosslink tu, you nampak dia menyebabkan bila ada crosslink tu, dia prevent the rubber polymer from sliding. Okay, dia tak senang, dia tak easily slide lah. Okay, so dia more elastic lah, more elastic. Okay, so kita tengok pula differences between vulcanized and unvulcanized rubber. Ni lah. So of course vulcanized rubber more elastic. Okay, unvulcanized less elastic. Hardness, vulcanized rubber harder, yang ni soft. Strength high, unvulcanized low. Resistant toward heat, more heat resistant, yang ni less heat resistant. Resistant towards oxidation, more resistant to oxidation, and this one easier to be oxidized. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, thank you.